In this tutorial, we're going to be back in the inventory module. We're going to be creating a custom shipping method based on rules. So we're going to go into the inventory module. We're going to go into our configuration menu, and then we're going to go down to our shipping methods. This menu allows you to see all of the different shipping methods and whether or not they're published. And all that means is are they viewable by the public on your website? So you can use shipping methods even if they're not published for your customers. So if you have like an online, hey, we have a flat rate shipping of $10 and we just charge that on all of our orders, that's great. Customers are going to get charged $10 and that's what they see. But in the back office, when you do that delivery order, you're going to select the carrier and everything that you need to. And so that's kind of how that works. Just a quick little bit of info on that one. So in this case, we want to create a shipping method based on rules. And in this case, we're going to create one that's a tiered shipping method for purchases under $50 and purchases over $50 costing another amount. So we're just going to go here and do new, and we'll call this just I will call it Stride Shipping. And we aren't going to do a fixed price, and we're not going to use Easy Post. This would actually attach it directly to your carrier of choice. You could set up one with FedEx or UPS or something like that. And then if you had weights in the system, you could actually get a quote right from our provider, and that's what the customer would end up paying. So it's a little bit more custom. In our case, we want to go based on rules, and that pulls up here. Remember, we always need to select a delivery product. So we're going to go with our custom shipping product, and you can create new delivery products if you want to track shipping across some different platforms. You can come with a margin on the rate if you want to, and you can click this button and say, hey, if the order is over $100, it's free. Awesome. And then from here we can add a line, and this is where we get into our rules. So our condition, we want to do it based on price. So we're going to say if the price is less than or equal to $50, we are going to make the delivery cost be $10. And then if we wanted to, we could say plus something times the weight. If you don't have weights in your system, then you can just leave that as 0, and it will just be the $10 plus 0. So we're going to go ahead and save and close that, and then we're going to add another line and say we just want this one to be less than 100. The cost is going to be 20. We'll go ahead and save and close that, and now we're good to go. Now if someone buys something online and it costs $50, they're going to pay $10 in shipping. If it costs $51, they're going to pay $20 in shipping. Sometimes you might want to set something up like that. It's all totally up to you, but you can create these rules. And then if you want this to be a selectable method, as always, you'll just click that on publish, and that will be published on the website, and you'll be good to go. As always, I would recommend you to test this and make sure that it works. And before you go live with it and tell your customers about it, you can test that by going online, publishing it, and then just checking, doing a couple of test orders. So anyways, that's how to make a custom shipping method based on rules. And there are a bunch of different rules that you can do. You can volume, weight, price, and quantity. But if you don't have the weight or the volume selected in or filled out in your inventory, it will not be able to calculate those. Just a quick thought on that. Thanks for watching. Bye.